What's up, Squeaky Loud House Fam? It's your girl Squeaky, and it's your girl. We'll be back with another freak video, y'all. Have y'all missed us? Because we most definitely missed you guys. But if you read that title, then you read it right. We in the kitchen today, and we got this new Belgian waffle maker, right? So we're gonna make some Louisiana food. You feel me? Like we about to make us some chicken and waffles. I think it's Louisiana. I don't know what it is, but drop them comments down below and tell us what it is. We got this new waffle maker. It's made by Dash, whatever the case may be, whatever it is. But yeah, we about to make these waffles, and I'm gonna let y'all see Naya rate the Dash waffle arm with Naya, or whatever the case may be, because she's gonna be the one making the waffles. So be sure to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. I got my girl cooking. I'm teaching her how to cook. So with that all being said, enjoy this intro. Let us get ourselves together, and we'll be back in a minute. Over there getting the table and stuff straightened out because she was doing her homework. I know y'all see that stuff over there. Don't mind the stuff in the back. Okay, y'all, so I got some pancake mix that I got from Sam's Club. I'm putting 2 scoops in there. Pancake mix, and they say use vegetable oil, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, just trying to speed up the process so that she could get started with the waffles. But this is our first time making waffles. We usually use frozen waffles. And this thing is not working with me, y'all. This flour was for the chicken. And it's hard for me because I don't use a measuring spoon, y'all. Which y'all know. It's hard for me because I don't use a measuring spoon or whatever. But yeah. But it say oil. What is it? Oil, two cups of the pancake mix, 1.5 cups of oil. A 1.5 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So it's hard for me because I don't do this. But this is our review on our first time making waffles. And we're going to eat it with some red beans and rice. The Zanarans, red beans and rice, some wingdings. Well, not me, Naya and the other family is. So, yeah, my girl is almost finished, and we doing a review on the Dash. And notice it's not a paid promo, y'all. I wish it was a paid promo, but it ain't. And our girl been going through some stuff. Can't you tell by the way my head looks? But guess what? When Squeaky Loud House come back in full swing, she gonna give y'all a tour, cause we going through some remodeling around this piece, y'all. Yeah, we're going through some remodeling. It's almost summertime here. The kids is almost out. Y'all gonna get some videos of the graduation. Hold on. Y'all gonna get some videos of the graduation. Y'all gonna get some videos of me going on vacation. Vacation? Yeah, I need to go on vacation. And then y'all gonna get some summer videos because we about to be getting ready to go places, y'all. So, yeah, Naya is finished with the table. I think I am finished with this mix. So, I'm going to bring y'all to the table in a minute.
We're back at the table. And this is the Dash. I'm just taking a little, y'all, if y'all want to waffle on, y'all already know. We about to give y'all our room opinion. I don't know what this thing is for, but this ain't good. Yeah, so let me close this because it say close. Okay. It's on. It's hot when this thing is on, but I think over there wants to reach this temperature. I always say do not. They say carefully lift the lid. Apply melted butter or vegetable oil to lubricate the cooking surface. Do not use. I don't think we're using oil. We use oil, but that one is not use the pan. The pan, brother. Oh, we can't use it, no pan. No, we use the pan. It's a non-stick surface, so open it up, right? And I gave her this little sour cream bowl. Chocolate, but we don't have no chocolate chips, and it's the first time we used it, so it'll be okay. If you want to make the waffles or no, you gonna read the book later. Cinnamon. They say don't use with veg, so here. Now we can use butter. Yeah, we can use butter. Oh, girl. My girl wanted her some pancakes, y'all. And I just started making pancakes, so I taught her how to make her own batter for pancakes. And my sister taught her how to make them on stove, but I'm scared for her to use the stove because she don't know. So comment down below how old you was when you started cooking or how old you were when you taught your children how to cook. Because the boys know how to cook, but I'm pretty lightly scared for her. No, I don't say eggs in butter. Go ahead. Stand up. Stand all the way up. Watch out. Come all the way close. Come close. Come out. Come all the way up. Don't cook sitting down. Go ahead. Your hands, see, okay. Yeah. No, pour it on there. Your butter burning, so your waffle gonna be burnt. You could use the spoon. Come on, go all four. You better watch that hand back there, girl. Keep pouring. Okay. You could use the spoon. No, you made a mess. Close it. Wait. Oh no, you go like this. Oh, like this, I guess. I don't know. Comment down below how I go. We gotta see, leave it alone. Why you move that stuff? This is going all over the place. Let me go check on this chicken. What is that? What is that red stuff? What is that red blue? What is that real blue? I think it's the perfect color. And it's not. Because it's not. Because I just turned it the other way. You mean rice and chicken? No, rice. I mean, the chicken. So what are you gonna eat with that? What? No, why would you open it? I didn't tell you to open it. Your pancakes don't look like gonna be messed up. You don't gotta look at it. It's gonna cook. Nothing. Yeah, you turned it on. You wasn't supposed to. So what did it look like when you opened it? It's happy. This is our first time, y'all, so. So how you open it? Oh wow, yeah, let me finish it. It looks almost done. It's probably gotta light up over there or something. You said you eat chicken? You eat rice? No. Don't you have to eat rice? No. Come here. I wanna know if you want chicken or rice. What are you gonna eat with yours? And then you have to turn the heat off because it's hot. So what you gonna eat with this? Just chicken and waffles? You don't know. You want that. I have something else to go with that. No, that already done started, honey. You did. I already done started making it already. I ain't about to know. I asked you twice. Oh, this was sweat. Hey, you want waffles? You want rice and the red beans and rice and chicken and a waffle? Alright, good. And you can talk to the people. What's up, people? What's up? I need to use the bathroom. Come on. Go ahead. What do you got? Take it out. Take it out. There we go. Go get syrup. Okay. First impression. Oh yeah, this is a big waffle. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, y'all. Y'all can use the soup, but this is Naya. Your little plate on your jacket. This is her plate. She's about to give y'all her reaction, her review.
Okay, one thing I did realize is that you can't make it too big because it will spill out. I had to move the location because they're about to get ready to eat dinner. But yeah, you can't make it too big. But I'm about to go back to Naya so she can finish.
Okay, y'all. We're about to try them. I have some chicken and some waffles.
He trying the waffles with the chicken, and he got red beans and rice, y'all. Red beans and rice, chicken, and waffles. Did you turn that off?
It tastes like a pancake.
That you should. It tastes like a pancake? So what would you rate it?
I rate it a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5. 9.5. Here I come, y'all. Give me a minute. Y'all, I am back, and I got the opposite of what they have. I have a cheese omelet, bacon, and hash brown. And then I got the waffles. I'm about to tell y'all, this is about to be my true reaction. What I give it, and I don't have any syrup on mine. Mind you, I'm not a big pancake eater. I'm not a big waffle eater. I love breakfast, but I like toast and bagels. And as far as this waffle goes, I give it a 10. And I don't even have syrup on it. It's not too hard. It's not too crunchy. It's perfect, just right. To me, to my liking, it's a 10. No syrup. Far as the dash maker, I give it a, it is what it is. It does the job right. So my waffles is good. So hey, I don't know, but I would recommend it to a friend or a family member. Don't mind that stuff and behind me, y'all. It looks crazy, but it ain't crazy. You gotta be here to understand. Everything in the living room is up, now in the kitchen. Because we're doing some remodeling around here. But, anywho, the waffles are good to me. And the machine worked perfect. Until next time. We out to the house. Peace.